ABB Measurement and Analytics Facility in Osuchio on Lake Como specializes in the production of pressure transmitters. It features state-of-the-art technology and innovative automated production systems. ABB Measurement and Analytics has also automated its logistics, implementing a fully automated storage and retrieval system. The automation system was designed and implemented by ABB Robotics, the multinational company's specialized automation systems division. The solution comprises two ABB Flex Buffer systems connected via conveyor. Flex Buffer consists of an ABB robot, a set of grippers, a software package, storage racks, and in-feed and out-feed conveyors that feed and distribute goods with pinpoint accuracy. Its efficiency combines buffering, storage, and sequencing functions, providing a competitive advantage over traditional systems. The system boasts a unique software suite that improves efficiency and interfaces with scheduling programs. Tracking of operations can be monitored in real time, and a refined diagnostic system provides information in the event of any operational problems. The introduction of logistics automation has achieved significant results. Optimization of the available space, a 30% reduction in the time required for final assembly, and a 90% improvement in overall efficiency. ABB Measurement and Analytics. Measurement made easy.